Man, we went from all the way to
it's so hard to say goodbye.
faster than it takes me to burn a marshmallow. That means at least now I don't have to listen to any more.
Mom, I'm hungry. What's for dinner?
All right, let me show you an easy school night dinner. I've been seeing people do these upside down pizzas, and they look so quick and easy. So we put our pepperoni down, then we'll put our cheese on top of that. We're gonna use these little mini naan rounds, and we're gonna toast the bottoms of those. Gotta be careful, this is gonna come out of there fast. Now I'm gonna try to spoon some sauce onto the top of this cheese. You know, it's probably not gonna be the prettiest pizza you've ever seen. Oh, nope, that was too long. Trial and error, right? My husband will eat these. My son won't. He doesn't like when the cheese gets too crispy. Let's try that again. We're turning our heat much lower. All right, here we go again with our pepperoni. Am I just gonna screw this up? All right, I have to do a cheesy one that doesn't look like the cheese is crispy. Gotta trick my child into thinking I didn't make the cheese crispy, like this one. I bet this tastes good though. It's a little crispy, but it tastes good. I forgot to toast the tops of these, and it's the tops you want to toast, not the bottoms. Ow, darn it. It's not the first time I've done that. All right, let's try this again. Okay, that's not bad. It's not pretty, but it's gonna be good. And my child is just gonna have to believe that. Let the bottoms toast for a few seconds. Okay, so just for myself, I wanted to try one with some ham, a couple pieces of pineapple. This might get too like juicy, but I want to try it anyway because pineapple does have a place on pizza. And we'll do a couple more cheese ones because that's my son's favorite. The best part about these is you can you can make the whole pack, use the whole pack of your flatbread. Whatever is left, stick it in the refrigerator. You can reheat it in your air fryer and it makes a great snack. Easy peasy. Your kids will love these after school. Sauce. See how my pineapple's doing. Hey, not bad. That's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to put the bread on there first. I'm really on a roll here today. Okay, that's all right. Well, now I've really made a mess of my pineapple one. Darn it. My pineapple one was going to be pretty, and then I messed it all up. But that's okay. Because you know what? It's still going to taste the same. I'm going to try this. You might regret it. Nope, don't regret that. Then the rest of the sauce will pour into a dish, and then you can dip it. Good thing that was just enough because I wasn't looking and that would have totally overflowed. It's an easy school night dinner. It's an easy after school snack. Your kids will love it, and it's going to take you just a few minutes.